Hi everybody, I'm trying out the new screen features of ECAMM Live. Yeah, so you can see this is just my normal setup, my overhead cameras, and then just a basic overlay. But I want to change things now, and I'm not going to edit anything. And okay, so I'm going to bring my face back, but in a corner, and I'm using Logic Pro. Okay, so this is actually very cool because I'm using Logic Pro for my class, and we're gonna be working with, okay, let me set up in the beginning of the track. Okay, we're working with the song Lullaby of Birdland, and my students have to record all the tracks, and we're checking the tracks here in class. So I immediately go to Logic Pro. Everything is syncing well, everybody's playing well. Okay, good. So now let's imagine that I'm having trouble with my class and I need to play a few things. Okay, so no problem. Yeah, I'm bringing up my keyboard, and in my keyboard is another overlay now. Yeah, so I can just take it back and forth. And now, how about, I need my chart. Yeah, so my chart, and I already aligned my chart here. It's a PDF, oops, not How Insensitive, but the other song. Okay, so no problem. I'm gonna change songs very fast. And from How Insensitive, I'm going to go to Lullaby Birdland. See, this is so easy to do now. Okay, and then I can just explain everybody. Okay, here we go. Those are the voicings. Okay, I can just explain the chart to everybody, and everybody's ready to go. So how about now we're going to change songs. And let's say that now I want to do another one. I want to go to How Insensitive. This is actually a cool track. Data is the version of Sting of Antonio Carlos Jobim. In my opinion, it's a masterpiece. Okay, and no problem. I can scroll when the other one also I can scroll beautifully. I already laid out my overlays, my screen overlays that allow me to do that. And let's say data, I want to bring another, instead of working with this chart, I want to bring actually the audio in audio program. I'm going to use CAPO. Yeah, and here we go. Okay, so I already edited all the different parts for my students so we can go to the verse, to the chorus, and I'm not editing, I'm just bringing everything back. All my overlays are already set. And let's see if this works. Yes, it works. It works. Beautiful. Yeah. And I'm not super. Yeah. Okay, and I can go to any part of the section that I want to go. Okay. Okay, so perfect. So that was a bit of Sting. Okay, so how about let's go back to Lullaby of Birdland. Okay, so Lullaby of Birdland, and I don't need CAPO anymore, but how about if I wanna work with a loop and performance generator program? Yeah, so I'm gonna, my favorite one, Band in a Box, the latest one, is amazing. So I created another overlay for Band in a Box. Boom, it is here. It is here, yeah, and now I wanna, let's say, work with some students. Okay, we're gonna work with the introduction. Yeah, we're still not tight. Yeah, and just gonna generate, and it's gonna generate all the accompaniment. 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, good. Yeah, so endless possibilities. And then I can just go back to my logic track, and I'm just, bringing all different overlays on the fly, things that it would have been impossible for me to do in a classroom setup. And now I can do it online. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this short exploration video of the new screen overlays features of ECAMM Live. And I'll see you on the next video.